Like 90-degree corners and T-wall intersection, angled corners should be installed first. First, cut the outside panels. Determine the degrees of angle and divide by 2 to obtain the bisection angle. Adjust the compound miter saw to the bisection angle. Cut a full panel, passing the cut through the center of an interlock knob. This will ensure the fit of the metal angle bracket. Cut another full panel with an opposing bisection angle, again passing the cut through the center of an interlock knob. Remove the cut interlock knob and place the opposing panels into the track to form the full angle. Adjust the metal angle bracket to fit and place over the opposing panels. Using a builder's square, transfer the outside panel end measurement to the inside track. Start the layout for the inside panel from that point. This will ensure that the panels align for tie placement. Start full tie placement as close to the apex as possible and place cut tie flanges into slots at the very tip of the apex for added reinforcement.